You're gorgeous.
You're sexy. You look like a bag of cookie. What's up, guys? It's your girl Theola.
And I'm Andre.
And we are back with another vlog. What are we doing today, babe?
So guys, we are on the hunt for a proper fall shoot spot. We have no idea where we're going, but we're searching. So we're just bringing you along to see, okay, where's the perfect place for us to take some photos, all right?
I'm just going with the flow, guys.
Yeah, we have like 10 spots to hit.
10?
10. We might just
Kinda too late.
Yeah, we might just do like maybe 3 or 4 today, but we're gonna bring you guys along.
Yep, so you guys will be seeing how it looks, how fall looks in Canada.
Alberta, Edmonton.
Well, I think fall in each province it looks different, because I think in the maritime it looks way better than it does here, because it's city obviously. But hopefully we can find some beautiful spots. And I just love fall. I mean, wait, I have a love-hate relationship with fall.
Cool.
Not really cold, because so far the weather has been nice.
Yeah.
But next comes winter, you know what I mean? So I have a love-hate relationship with it right now, but I'm just enjoying the beauty. Okay guys, so before you continue to watch this video, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yarr.
Alright, so guys, we're currently at Lions Park in Edmonton, and this is recommended as one of the cool spots where we can take some cool fall photos. Alright guys, this is nice. Ooh, smell like roaches or nothing.
Seriously. Actually, it could look better for me, like
Would I reach it too?
oh, yeah.
Because you know, see the sun I peep through. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna add a filter so you can see exactly how it looks.
See if it filter.
Yeah. So as you
The streets here looks neat.
So as you know already, I'm not a fan of the bush, but
This is not bush, Andre. Oh my gosh.
this is very nice. Yella, walk in there. It looks cool. And you and your green, you just fit right in.
Big iguana.
Is it me or Taylor Batty look fat? Guys, let us know in the comments. Taylor Batty look fat. Wow, Taylor, you're glowing. Alright, so guys, the hunters found another spot. The fall hunters. Alright, so this is around Kingsman Park or on the Waterdale Bridge route. It looks good. Yeah. Queen Elizabeth Park.
Guys, I prefer here. 100% prefer.
Looks way better.
Yeah, can you imagine if we came earlier, like
With the sunshine and all that stuff. You look cool. What are you doing? Madam, pause first. Wait. Hold on. Go ahead.
I just take video and then do this stuff.
Yeah. Right. Tiala, go for it.
Apple peel, 1, 2. Our praying mantis this. Oh. Guys, this is not safe because you might actually throw insect in your hair.
What you doing, girl? Shaking your bum bum? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is nice.
Don't say that. Don't tie nothing. So guys, we just drove all the way here
20 minutes.
to get scoop and roll ice cream from a truck. I've never tried it before. So I'm gonna try it now.
Hey boss, I just seen if you're ready.
Oh yeah, we're ready.
Sounds good. What you guys do today? What you guys get up to today?
Oh, we're trying to find a fall spot to take some cool photos.
Oh, I
So
see.
We're hunting
Yeah.
for like cool spots in Edmonton.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we're still on the hunt, but we found some places.
Yeah, nice.
So once again, guys, leave it to Taylor to choose the most complicated order, the one with the most lumps, which is the mangoes.
My order is not complicated.
All right.
Alright, almost there, alright?
Yeah. Don't worry, take
Sorry
your
to make
time.
the video a bit longer.
It's all good.
Is my order complicated? He said that my order is complicated. That is not complicated.
The mango is difficult.
No, it's not. It's pretty.
Singing her praises and her hair on fire in the birthday candle. While she's going out, she talked to me.
All right, so Taylor, I want to catch you actually going for it. So step forward a bit. In cup. Cup. Oh, and one extra. Cup.
And 1 second, guys.
As the paparazzi report.
I was gonna put some strawberries on top, but we're out, so
That's
there
okay.
you
That's
go.
all right. Thanks a
Of
lot.
course.
So
Enjoy,
All right,
guys.
thanks again.
Hey, where can I find you, man?
Spencer's vlog.
Spencer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spencer's vlog.
Yeah.
We'll check you out.
All right, cool. Thanks. All right, so we got it.
Guys, let's try it. Oh my gosh. Guys, but no. You probably try it already. I know, but me never try a freeze and roll. What's this name?
I don't know. You gotta find
Scoop and
random
roll.
ice cream somewhere. So let's do it.
Yeah, I never tried the
Better eat it
frozen
before that
ice cream
melt out.
before.
All right, so Jella, go for
On TV, guys.
it.
And other
Go on
people
again.
vlogs. Some I always see it on TV and other people vlogs, but me never actually tried it before.
Show us it on TV in other people vlog. Oh, Sid.
Oh, wait, hold
Watch
on.
her eat mango first.
Mm.
She lied. She said before she
No.
tastes it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it does look fancy.
Guys,
So guys, they pressed the mango and the strawberry into the vanilla and made the Tootsie Roll.
this is just what I feel for.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, Taylor.
Yeah, it's really refreshing. You guys make it with extra specialty.
Yeah, man, the man got hard. The man say, yo, them a vlog, so me have to make sure I say this shot. Alright, so guys, if you haven't already, please do not forget to what, Taylor?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, so guys, we out.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me